Hello! It's great to see you again on the Wonder Garden channel. If you're new to caring for orchids, this video will help you keep the orchids in your garden healthy, vibrant, and blooming beautifully. Today, I'm going to share with you an extremely simple way to make natural fertilizer at home. Using just common kitchen ingredients, you can create a fertilizer that not only promotes strong root and leaf growth, but also helps flowers bloom longer with bright and vibrant colors throughout the flowering season. The great thing is that this method is very safe, easy to do, and can be applied to all kinds of home plants. If you're looking for an effective way to make your orchids bloom without using expensive fertilizers, watch this video until the end. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results. Let's get started right away. To prepare the ingredients for today's fertilizer, you only need a small amount of coffee grounds, a very familiar material in our daily lives. Usually, after finishing a cup of coffee, we tend to throw the coffee grounds away. However, few people know that coffee grounds can actually be an extremely useful ingredient for garden plants, especially orchids when used properly. Here, I will use about 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds like this. This amount is just right, gentle and safe for the plant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, I add the coffee grounds to 500 milliliters of warm water. Warm water helps extract the natural nutrients found in coffee, especially small amounts of nitrogen, trace minerals, and organic compounds, which help stimulate more stable plant growth. Pour the entire coffee ground solution into a large bottle. This process allows the nutrients to dissolve evenly in the water, creating a mild and easily absorbable solution. When used correctly, the coffee ground solution helps leaves become greener, roots develop better, and improves the plant's overall vitality without causing shock or root damage. After obtaining the initial extract, I further dilute it by adding 1 liter of clean water. This dilution step is very important, as it makes the solution gentler, safer for the roots, and suitable for regular use on orchids. Next, close the lid and shake well so that the nutrients are fully dissolved in the water. When shaking, you only need to do it gently. There's no need to shake too hard, as long as the solution is well mixed. Then, let the solution sit and steep for about 3 hours. This period allows the organic compounds in the coffee grounds to continue slowly extracting, making the solution more stable and ready for use on the plants. After 3 hours of steeping, once the solution has completely cooled and the extraction time is sufficient, I will strain it to remove the coffee grounds, keeping only the clear liquid. I will use this liquid to care for the plants in my garden. With this natural liquid fertilizer, you can apply various care methods. Now, I'll share the first method, which is very gentle yet delivers noticeable results. The first method is to wipe the plant's leaves. When using the coffee ground solution to wipe the leaves, you'll notice that the leaves become much cleaner quickly. The ultrafine organic particles in the coffee grounds help lift the dust off the leaf surface without causing damage or scratches. Not only does it clean, but coffee grounds also contain a small amount of natural nutrients that can be gently absorbed through the leaf surface. As a result, the leaves gradually become darker green, thicker, and healthier, with significantly improved photosynthesis. Another very important point is that the natural scent of coffee helps repel and deter certain small insects, especially those that commonly cling to leaves, such as aphids or red spider mites. When the leaves are wiped regularly, the leaf surface becomes cleaner and more ventilated, making it harder for insects to settle and thrive. Wiping the leaves with the coffee grounds solution not only makes the plants look more attractive, but also helps boost their natural resistance, supporting stable, long-term growth without causing shock or damaging the roots. You only need to wipe the leaves about twice a month, consistently and gently, to keep the plants clean, healthy, and ready for the next stages of growth. The second method is to water the solution directly around the base of the plant. First, pour the diluted solution into a watering can or a container with a small spout to easily control the amount of liquid. Then, water evenly around the base of the plant, avoiding pouring it all in one spot. Slow and even watering allows the solution to gradually soak into the growing medium, delivering nutrients directly to the roots without causing waterlogging. When watering around the base, the nutrients from the coffee grounds nourish the roots from within, helping them grow stronger and improving their ability to absorb water and minerals. At the same time, this solution also enhances the growing medium, creating conditions for more stable and sustainable root development. You should only water a moderate amount, just enough to keep the growing medium moist, not soggy. For orchids that are weak or newly recovering, this watering method is especially effective, as it allows the plant to receive nutrients gently without shocking the roots. Maintain this base watering method about once every 2 weeks. Combined with other care techniques, you'll notice stronger roots, sturdier plants, and stable growth over time. The third method is to use the remaining solution to mist the plants. First, pour the solution into a spray bottle, preferably one that produces fine mist droplets, so the solution spreads evenly and gently over the plant. Then, spray evenly over the entire plant, from the stems and leaves to any exposed roots. When spraying, remember to cover both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, as the undersides are where small insects often hide and are hard to spot. Misting the plants with the coffee grounds solution provides light moisture along with natural nutrients, helping the plants maintain balance. This is especially useful during dry or hot days. At the same time, the natural scent of coffee helps deter certain harmful insects, such as aphids and red spider mites, from settling on the leaves. You should mist in the early morning or late afternoon, avoiding direct sunlight to prevent heat stress on the leaves. Just apply a thin layer of mist. There's no need to soak the plant. Maintain this care method once or twice a month. Combined with leaf wiping and base watering, your orchids will receive comprehensive care from leaves to roots, growing healthier and more stable over time. For kalanchoe plants that have finished blooming, remove all the spent flower stems like this. Pruning old flowers is a very important care step, as it prevents the plant from continuing to use nutrients to sustain blooms that have already completed their life cycle. Once the spent flower stems are removed, the nutrients will be redirected to the dormant buds below. It is at these buds that the plant begins to stimulate new shoot growth, and after a short period, new flower stems will emerge from them. You should cut just above the dormant bud, using clean and sharp scissors to make a neat cut and minimize damage to the stem. After pruning, the plant will focus its energy on producing new shoots, nurturing leaves, and preparing for the next flowering cycle. After removing all the old flower stems, I will use the previously prepared organic fertilizer to continue caring for this kalanchoe plant. Fertilizing immediately after pruning the flowers provides timely nutrients, helping the plant recover quickly and focus on nurturing the new flower buds forming at the dormant buds below. This is a very important stage, as the plant needs sufficient energy to grow strong shoots, sturdy stems, and healthy green leaves. Results. After a period of consistent care, you'll notice a remarkable transformation in your orchids. The roots grow stronger with plump green tips, and the plant becomes more stable in its pot. The leaves turn greener, thicker, and shinier, with clearly improved growth and vitality. Orchids that previously refused to bloom are now starting to produce new flower stems from the leaf axils, signaling an upcoming season of vibrant blooms. Not only orchids, but anthuriums also respond very well to this care method. New leaves grow strong and vibrant, the plants stay vigorous, and maintain steady, healthy development over time. For kalanchoe plants, after pruning the flowers and adding nutrients with the organic coffee grounds fertilizer, new shoots begin to emerge from the dormant buds below. The plant recovers faster, the shoots grow stronger, and it's ready for the next flowering cycle. All of these results prove that, when used correctly and consistently, coffee grounds can become a very effective source of organic fertilizer. No need for complicated methods or strong chemicals. With gentle and regular care, plants can still grow healthy and thrive sustainably. What about you? What do you think about this method of caring for plants using coffee grounds? Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it so more plant lovers can try it too. And remember to subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to continue exploring simple, natural, and effective plant care tips every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.